Hello class, welcome back. In today's fourth chapter, we will study now some continuation what you have done in demand also. That is expansion of supply and contraction in supply. That is variation and changes in supply. Okay, so variation in supply and changes in supply. In variation in supply, there are two types, that is expansion and contraction. Now, whenever the word expansion and contraction comes, so they are because of price only and other factor remaining constant. I repeat, whenever the word expansion contraction comes in the mind, so they are because of price and other factor remaining constant. So what you will write for expansion of demand? Expansion and contraction is due to because of price only. Okay, we'll explain later. Now come towards the changes in supply. There are two concepts, that is increase in supply and decrease in supply, and this is only because of other factor. Clear? Here price remain constant. Okay, now what you will write in expansion in of demand? Expansion of demand refers to a rise in quantity supplied due to rise in the price of a commodity. Other factors remaining constant. Expansion in supply leads to an upward movement on the same supply curve due to rise in its price. That means your supply rises only due to rise in price. Supply बढ़ रहा है but क्यों? Only because increase in price. Okay, not because of other factors. Now you will ask me, ma'am, which are the other factors? So other factors which we studied in determination of determinants of supply, they are cost of production से अपने को कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, टेक्निक्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन उससे भी कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट, वेदर कंडीशंस, ये सभी से एक्सपांशन एंड कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Only and only because of price, if supply changes, that is called as expansion of supply. Clear? Now next is contraction of supply. Contraction of supply refers to a fall in the quantity supplied due to fall in the price of a commodity, other factor remaining constant. In case of contraction of supply, there is a downward movement on the same supply curve. See, price falls, so supply also falls. That is called contraction. अगर प्राइस कम हो जाती है और उन्हीं की वजह से सप्लाई भी कम हो जाता है, वो चीज़ को कौन से टर्म से बोला जाता है? कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इन सप्लाई, but not because of other factors, only because of price. Clear? So expansion and contraction is only because of the change in price, not because of other factors. Other factors remain constant. So here how you can show the expansion and contraction of demand with the help of graph. See, price and supply. Okay, supply is 100, then it because of rupees 1, then it increases to 200 because of rupees increase in the price, that is 2. Okay, price was 1, supply was 100, price increases to 2, supply is 200. Clear? So this is what direct relation, due to price supply changes. So same thing we will show in a graph. In expansion of supply, y-axis price, x-axis quantity supplied. Supply curve is upward moving curve, right? So मैंने किधर सप्लाई कर्व बनाया है, लेकिन कैसे? देखो, when price was P, that is 1 rupees, supply was Q, that is 100. If price increases P1, supply increases to Q2, or then I will draw one curve, SS curve, that is upward moving curve. So this upward movement shows expansion of supply. Clear? Clear everyone? Now, second, contraction of supply. price and supply. When price is 200, when supply is 200, it is because of price, that is rupees 2. Now supply decreases to 100 rupees, supply falls due to fall in price. Okay, now let's make our diagram. Okay, so remember, do not make a mistake. You are making supply, so first find out the difference between demand curve and supply curve, right? Here, in contraction of supply, same y-axis price, x-axis quantity supplied. Okay, when price was p, that is rupees 2, supply was 200 q, but here price falls, that is p2, so supply what, contracts, supply q से q2 इतना कम हो जाता है. So here dot section is what, decrease in supply, fall in supply. So here supply curve जो है, that is downward sloping curve. Why? Because it was earlier, it was this much q, but now it is q2, it falls due to fall in a price. That is why supply curve is downward sloping curve. Clear everyone? Okay. Initially price is markup, how much was my supply, 200, then it falls to 1. How much is my supply, 100, so price falling, supply falls, so supply curve is downward sloping curve. Now next one is increase in supply and decrease in supply. When other factors changes and price remain constant, is known as a changes in supply. There are two types. See, यहाँ पे, here price remain constant, but other factor, that is cost of production, techniques of production, okay, weather conditions, transportation costs, if they changes, and because of that supply also changes, it is called changes in supply. Okay, they are of two types. Now what you will write in increase in supply? Increase in supply refers to rise in the supply of a given commodity due to favorable changes in the other factors such as fall in price of inputs, fall in tax rates, technological upgradation, etc. while price remain constant. Clear everyone? Now, next, decrease in supply. In decrease in supply, you will write decrease in supply refers to fall in the supply of a given commodity due to unfavorable changes in other factors such as increase in prices of inputs, increase in taxes, outdated technology, strikes by workers, okay, while price remain constant. So the supply curve shifts to the left hand side of the original supply curve. Okay, let's put it in the graph. So for that I will make one schedule, price and supply. Okay, now here price remain constant, price से अपने को कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, but supply changes. Okay, so listen carefully. When supply 100, okay, and it increases to 200 due to favorable changes in the other factor, at that time price remain constant. See, price earlier it was 1 rupees and now also it is 1 rupees, but because of other factor there are changes in supply. Clear? So same thing we will show in graph. Y-axis price is constant, so it will be like that, horizontal straight line. Okay, original supply was q, okay, at that time as this is what, from m point, this is mq is the original supply, okay, that is 100 rupees, so ss was above supply curve. Now here, due to favorable changes in taxes or transportation cost, supply increases. Okay, so for m to n supply increase हुआ, from q to q1 supply increases. Okay, so our supply curve shift from this ss to s1 s1, so this will be our new supply curve. So here you can Observe that original supply curve SS and shift in a supply curve is S1 S1. So due to increase in a supply, our supply curve shift to the right hand side. Clear? This is in increase in supply. In increase in supply, supply curve shift to the right hand side of original supply curve. Clear? Now, second is decrease in supply. In decrease in supply, again we have to show relation between price and supply. Again, price remain constant. So, earlier supply was 200. Now, due to unfavorable changes in other factors, supply decreases to 100. But price, no effect. Price will be same. राइट प्राइस में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं है बट अदर फैक्टर में अनफेवरेबल गवर्नमेंट ने अचानक से टैक्सेस बढ़ा दिए या फिर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का कॉस्ट बढ़ा दिया या फिर आउटडेटेड टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसके वजह से सप्लाई पे असर हो रहा है ओके सो सप्लाई यर डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 200 to 100 clear so this again we have to show in a graph on y axis price x axis quantity supplied p means price that is constant earlier supply was more that is q m q देखो o से लेकर q was the supply quantity supply x axis पे है ना so oq was the supply okay that is why ss was supply curve but suddenly there are unfavorable changes in other factors so our supply curve shift to the left hand side that is s2 s2 this is original supply and here S2 S2 is the shift in a supply curve. Why? Because decreased in a supply. Supply was Q. Now due to unfavorable changes, supply shift to Q2. So supply curve also shift from left to right to left side. Clear? Okay. समझे सभी को? So here these are the totally 4 graphs. Okay, in expansion in supply and contraction in supply due to price only. Okay, due to changes in a price. See from P to P1 price में changes हुआ price बढ़ा तो supply increase. Contraction in demand from P to P2 price decreases तो supply decreases. Arrow दिखाई दे रहे supply decreases. So this is contraction of supply. Increase in supply, price constant, no changes in the price. But due to other factor, if supply increases, then supply curve shift to the left hand side. This is what increase in supply. In decrease in supply, due to unfavorable changes in other factor, supply falls. Okay, so supply curve shift to the here in increase in supply curve shift to the right hand side and in decrease in supply curve shift to the left hand side. Clear? I repeat, in expansion of supply rises due to price, other factor remain constant. In contraction in supply decreases falls due to changes in decrease in fall in price only, other factor remain constant. Now increase in supply. In increase in supply, price remain constant, but due to changes in other factor, supply changes, supply increases, it is called as increase in supply. Decrease in supply में price is again constant, but due to unfavorable changes in the other factor, supply falls, that is called as a decrease in supply. Clear this concept? Okay, I hope till here you all are clear with this concept. Okay, thank you.